today. Let's go ahead and make a pizza. Got the ingredients. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making pizzas. We're going to be making 2 and obviously 3 for the little ones. I'm going to let them make their own. So for the first one, we're going to use obviously the tomato sauce. We're going to use Italian sausage, bacon, and Canadian bacon, just because we love bacon in this family. For the second one, we're gonna do a semi-veggie, and I say semi because I'm gonna add the sausage, Italian sausage on it. And we're gonna do bell pepper, orange, bell pepper, red, tomato, basil, mushroom, and pepperoni with our spinach, and obviously you can't forget the cheese. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and cook the meats on the grill, and we'll come back and finish the rest. So I already have my grill warming up for us. Every time I say that, it always sounds weird to me. I don't know why. So we're gonna put a little bit of butter, so I can get it out, and olive oil. Spread that out. Let's add our bacon on one side. Let's throw in our Italian sausage. And our Canadian bacon on the other end. And we're just gonna let this cook for a little bit. The only seasoning that I added on the Italian sausage was my garlic and black pepper spice that I had. I was gonna cook this inside, but you know what? It's actually a nice weather right now where I live at, so I might as well make them outside. And I don't think I told you guys, we're gonna be making them on the gas grill instead of the oven. That's just another trick that I learned from my father-in-law, to make them on the grill and to actually make them ourselves. Because you know, you're always buying them, but you would always see, well, I would always see the pizza stuff at the store, but in my head it was always too hard until he told me that it was easy, and we tried it and it changed my life. So now all I want to do is homemade pizza. Okay, so let's get that a little quick mix. Okay, so we're gonna take our Italian sausage out. Hold on, guys. I know I'm always telling you, and I'm going to repeat myself on a couple of videos, saying that the smell, but I mean, it doesn't get any better than this, guys. I wish you could smell what I'm smelling. Because not only are you getting the bacon flavor, or the smell, but you're also getting the sausage and the Canadian bacon all at once. So right now I'm like in heaven. Okay, so I like my bacon like that. So let's go ahead and take it out. Just put it right there. and stuff. Okay guys, so I bought the pizza dough, obviously already made, because I'm still thinking of investing into the KitchenAid mixer, so that way we can do our dough from fresh, but I'm still waiting on that. So let's go ahead and get that stuff out. Okay, so for my kids, I'm gonna make the small ones for them, and before you put the tomato sauce, you're gonna have to put a little bit of olive oil at the bottom so that they don't stick, okay? It's just a little bit, use your hand. It's just my family, guys, so they're not gonna mind. Okay. I have my napkins, so let me just rinse my hand. Okay, so, you know, I was thinking the other day that I'm always saying that my kids are picky, but they're actually not. They're pretty good at their age. So, but they do like different foods. So let's make this one for my daughter. She likes very little tomato on her pizza. So, I think that should be good for her. Now my son, he likes tomato. So let's put that in. Okay. Now, I don't know if you guys will see him on the video, but I have a little special guest at my house, which is my youngest nephew. So I'm gonna make him a pizza too. Okay, so we're gonna let my son make his own. Already put tomato on yours. Say hi.
Hello.
You can put, that one's yours, okay? So you have your cheese. You can finish. Over here, please. Which one's mine? Ooh, that one. Okay. Say hi. Hi, everybody. You wanna make your pizza? Come on. Hi everybody!
Hi.
Now this is also really fun, guys, if you have little ones, to make this with them, okay? Or if you're having a party. Oh, perfect. You want me to help you? Here. Here, you can put that one there. Good job! Yeah, yay! Uh-oh! Here, you can clean your hand there. Good job. Got them out. Now we're gonna go ahead and go inside. Come on, help Tia. Let's go inside. Open the door for Tia.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Oh, he has to fix his leggings. Sorry, guys. Go, go, go. Go ahead and cut them up. I'm just gonna cut them up in 4 slices. Okay.
Here.
Yeah, we're gonna give you some right now.
Oh.
Okay.
Here.
Thank you.
Cheese.
Let's get your olive. Let's do our tomato. Now for this one, we're gonna do the 3 meat pizza, guys. Okay, so guys, one mistake that I made the other day was I put the spinach at the very end. But because of the grill, it ended up burning my spinach. It wasn't a bad taste. But now I'm gonna put it before I put the cheese so that way it doesn't burn, okay? So, and we're gonna do a little bit of oregano. Just gonna dump it in there like that. Okay, so let's do, hold on, let me do my cheese now. You know what? Let's add a little bit of mushroom at the top. Okay. Now let's get this outside on the grill. This one, if I remember correctly, we're gonna let it cook for about 9-10 minutes. And it's 256. We'll be back. So we're gonna go ahead and get this out. It's ready. Okay. Into this, because everybody is hungry.
Mom.
Yeah. Call Uncle Tony.
No,
Mom?
Mom.
Okay, call them so they can come in.
Mommy. Dad. Yeah.
Oh, this looks amazing, guys. Okay, let me just get my pan. Ooh, look at that. Okay, let's make our last one. Don't forget your olive oil. Now this one we're gonna make an olive oil pizza, guys. Should be good. Let me get my napkin over there because I forgot it. Now let's add a little bit of garlic salt, guys. I went a little heavy there, so we'll spread it. Okay, you know what, that should be good. Let's add a little bit of cheese. Let's add, you know what, I'm gonna add fresh mozzarella. So we're just gonna cut that. Okay, so I'm looking at my ingredients, and the only thing that I need left is my spinach. And since I don't wanna burn them, we're gonna add them first, okay? If I can get them out. Okay. Now we're just gonna spread these all around, and don't forget that they're gonna like shrink, because I remember the first time I made the pizza I added very little spinach, but then because they look huge, right, but then when they came out of the oven they were small, so it kind of seemed like it didn't have any. Okay, so let's go ahead and add those there. Let me cut this one. We'll add that one there, and more cheese, guys. Oh my God, my mouth is watering. I don't know how we're gonna bite into this, but we will. Okay? Okay. Now, try to keep your gas grill at a temperature of 350 to possibly 450, okay? Down. About 9 minutes, guys, and we'll come and look at it again. This one. Now I gotta add a little bit of the crushed red pepper. Let me just do it little by little because I don't have my little, I don't know, the little stopper thing, whatever. Let's take a bite. Okay guys, so, well, that got me a little bit. So whatever toppings you guys decide to do, I hope you like my little trick on making them upside. So until next time, bye guys.